Hi students, in this session I am going to discuss about manufacture of hydrogen peroxide. Manufacture of hydrogen peroxide. This topic is from hydrogen and its compound. We are going to learn about manufacture of hydrogen peroxide. Before starting of the video, please watch end of the video. Manufacture of hydrogen peroxide. This is the today's topic, manufacture of hydrogen peroxide. The H2O2 is also called as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide is prepared by them mainly three important preparations, that is laboratory method, industrial method and auto oxidation method. These three methods are very important to prepare hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is taken from hydrogen and its compounds. Hydrogen peroxide is prepared by laboratory method, industrial method and auto oxidation methods. These three preparations are very important to prepare hydrogen peroxide. And what are the uses of hydrogen peroxide? How it is used in manpower? It is used as anti-chlor in bleaching because it can reduce chlorine. Hydrogen peroxide is then used as anti-chlor because it is a bleaching process. It reduces chlorine. And also it is used for restoring color of lead paintings. It is used as lead paintings, and it is an antiseptic because it is used to washing wounds, teeth, ears under the name of perhydral. What are the name of hydrogen peroxide? Perhydral. These are very important uses of hydrogen peroxide. These are very important uses of hydrogen peroxide. What they are? It is used as anti-chlor and it is used as lead paintings and it is a antiseptic treatments. And next one is the chemical properties. Chemical properties. Hydrogen peroxide chemical properties are hydrogen peroxide is having natures oxidizing nature and reducing nature. Hydrogen peroxide having oxidizing nature and reducing nature. Now, how it is prepared in three important methods, that is laboratory method, industrial method, oxidation method. Now the first one is laboratory method. Laboratory method. In laboratory method, it is prepared by adding calculating amount of barium peroxide. Calculating amount of barium peroxide. The barium peroxide is the formula of barium peroxide is BaO2 and 8H2O. It containing aqueous nature. So the formula of barium peroxide is BaO2 8H2O. 2. Treated to ice cold dilute 20% H2SO4. H2SO4 can be called as sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid is diluted with 20%. That means 20 ml hydrogen sulfuric acid and 80 ml of water. It is ice cold dilute nature. In laboratory method, it is prepared by adding calculating amount of barium peroxide to ice cold dilute H2SO4. H2SO4 is also dehydrating agent. Dehydration means removal of water molecule from the actual molecule. In barium peroxide is treated with sulfuric acid to form barium sulfate and H2O2 and 8H2O. How it is formed? Hydrogen peroxide in barium peroxide and hydrogen sulfuric acid. Barium peroxide formula is in laboratory method barium peroxide BaO2 8 H2O is treated with ice cold diluted 20% hydrogen and sulfite, that means sulfuric acid. This is called as sulfuric acid. It is treated with barium peroxide. Barium peroxide. H2SO4 is the dehydrating agent. So it removes water molecule from the compound. So I can write it as like this: 8H2O plus barium and sulfate. Barium forms sulfate to give a barium sulfate plus remaining 2 oxygens, 2 hydrogens, that is H2O2. In barium peroxide is treated with sulfuric acid to give hydrogen peroxide and barium sulfate, and 8 moles of water molecule are liberated. In laboratory method, it is prepared by calculating amounts of barium peroxide to ice cold dilute 20% H2SO4 to form a hydrogen peroxide. This is the laboratory method. And next one is the industrial method. In industrial method, hydrogen peroxide is prepared by on commercial scale. Hydrogen peroxide can be prepared by electrolysis of 50% H2SO4 solution. That means H2SO4 we called as the name as sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, the formula of chemical formula is H2SO4. This can be diluted with 50% H2SO4. So we can prepare by hydrogen peroxide in industrial method using electrolysis of 50% H2SO4. H2SO4 is electrolyzed by it divided ions. In ionization takes place. In a cell reactions the H2SO4 is divided into ions. That step is called as ionization. What happened to this? On electrolysis, the hydrogen sulfate, that means on electrolysis the sulfuric acid is divided into ions, 2H pluses and 2HSO4 minus ions. These two ions in anode, the 2HSO4 gives a H2S2O8 and 2 electrons are removed from the HSO4 minus. This step is called as oxidation. And next one is the 2H plus ions. We adding 2 electrons, it gives the hydrogen gas is liberated. In the step, per disulfuric acid is treated with water or it treated with hydrolysis to give H2O2 and 2 moles of sulfuric acid is liberated. What happened to these steps? In H2SO4, 2 times of H2SO4 sulfuric acid is electrolysis. What happened to this is electrolysis. It divides ions, 2H plus and 2HSO4 minus ions. And next step is the 2HSO4 minus ions or H2S2O8 and 2 minus, so 2 electrons. This step, removal of electrons, are called as oxidation takes place. And next step is the 2H plus ions. The 2H plus ions, we adding 2 electrons, it gives a hydrogen gas is liberated. The name of H2S2O8, the H2S2O8 is called the name as per disulfuric acid. The per disulfuric acid is undergo hydrolysis to give a hydrogen peroxide. Per disulfuric acid H2S2O8 undergo hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means treatment of water. The process is called as hydrolysis. The per disulfuric acid undergo hydrolysis to give a hydrogen peroxide and 2 times of sulfuric acid are formed. This is the industrial method to prepare hydrogen peroxide. This is the industrial method. In industrial method, we use 50% H2SO4 is undergo electrolysis to give a 2H plus ion and 2HSO4 minus ion. HSO4 minus ion forms a per disulfuric acid. 2H plus gives a hydrogen gas is liberated. The per disulfuric acid undergo hydrolysis to give a hydrogen peroxide. In industrial method, on a commercial scale, H2O2 can be prepared by electrolysis of 50% H2SO4 solutions. These are the cell reactions. And next one is the auto-oxidation method. To prepare hydrogen peroxide. Next one is the manufacture of hydrogen peroxide by auto-oxidation method. In this we name auto-oxidation method. Auto means same, undergo oxidation method. The hydrogen peroxide by the auto-oxidation method, or auto means speed, fast reactions. We taking 2-butyl anthraquinone. The hydrogen peroxide is prepared from 2-butyl anthraquinone is catalytically reduced to 2-butyl anthraquinone. That means 2-butyl anthraquinone is undergo catalytically reduction to form a 2-butyl anthraquinone. What happened to this reaction? The 2-butyl anthraquinone reduces to 2-butyl anthraquinone. One represents the ketone group. One represents ketone group. Al represents alcohol group. Ketone group means C double bond O. Alcohol means COH group. These groups are present in these reactions, and it is then the reduction takes place. The catalytically reduction means hydrogen and palladium. Palladium is a catalyst. It is which catalyst means which the reaction which is used to catalyst. The a function of catalyst is speed up the reaction. Catalyst means speed up the reaction, but it does not reacting, only the speed up the reaction. The reaction is speed up the reaction, and it is oxidized by air, and when it is oxidized by air, it will reveals hydrogen peroxide is extracted with water to give about 20% solution. This is the 2-butyl anthraquinone structure. This is the 2-butyl anthraquinone. How it is formed? 2-butyl anthraquinone to 2-butyl anthraquinone. 2-butyl anthraquinone. What steps are taken? Anthracene structure is if the structure containing 3 benzene rings are induced. This structure is the name of 3 benzene rings are induced is called as anthracene. Now we have to take in 2-butyl, that means 1 2. In the second position, the butyl group is present. The butyl group means C4H9. The C4H9 is present in the second position, and it contains anthracene containing quinone. Quinone structure is opposite C double bond O groups. This the structure of this the name of the structure is 2-butyl anthraquinone, and the reaction can be takes place from it is the reduction takes place. Hydrogen and palladium catalyst used to form a the reaction is the reduction reaction. That means the reduction means addition of hydrogens. Reduction means addition of hydrogens in the 2-butyl anthraquinol in the position, this position O and O. That is the structure is OH groups are formed. This is the 2-butyl anthraquinone. This is the 2-butyl anthraquinol. Anthraquinol. Quinol, alcohol group, ketone group, and it is oxidized by air. Oxidized by air to get oxidized by air to get in this hydrogen are removed to form a H2O2. To remove it from a H2O2, again this structure will be formed. That means this structure again 2-butyl anthraquinone is formed. These are the preparation of hydrogen peroxide in the auto-oxidation method. Next, physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. Next one is the physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. In this H2O2, the physical properties are the pure H2O2 is a thick syrupy liquid. The pure H2O2 is a thick syrupy liquid and it is a pale blue color, and it is more viscous and dense than water, dense than water. It is completely miscible with water, alcohol and ether in all proportions. It is completely miscible in all water, alcohol, ether in all proportions. It is completely miscible. These are the physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. These are the physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. These three are preparations and these are uses, and next one is the physical properties, and next video is chemical properties. Please watch that video also. Thank you.